Do you remember that moment when you were passionately kissing a girl? Everything started to heat up, and suddenly she directed your hand to a certain part of her body. This has most likely happened to you before. It's a barely noticeable movement. Her way of telling you is that this area is particularly sensitive and she invites you to explore it. Many women think that men are slow or ignorant when it comes to understanding their bodies. In fact, only about 5% of men know which sensitive points to focus on and how to touch them at the right time. In this video, we're going to reveal 10 scientifically proven erogenous zones on the female body that can help you leave a lasting impression in bed. Are you going on a date? Are you going to have sex, or are you already in an intimate relationship? Keep this knowledge in your back pocket. They can be your secret advantage. Once you apply these tips, you will most likely become the one she thinks about, day and night. And yes, it works with women of all ages, from any culture or background. Before we start, be sure to subscribe and like it. This will help spread such intelligent content throughout the YouTube community. Start. Weakness number 1. Lips are filled with nerve endings, which makes them incredibly sensitive to touch. A kiss is not just about romance. It triggers a chain reaction of hormones such as oxytocin, the hormone of love. A kiss, especially with eye contact, can cause intense arousal and deepen emotional bonds. That's why lips are more than just a starting point. They are the gateway to desire. Weakness number 2. Neck. The neck is a delicate and highly reactive area, especially because of its thin skin and proximity to the ears and face. Light touches, gentle kisses, or even whispered words can send chills through her body. Simply touching her neck with your hand during a conversation or during a hug can significantly lift her mood and create a sense of intimacy that creates both trust and desire. Weakness number 3. Ears. The ears, especially the area behind and around them, are one of the most underrated erogenous zones. A whisper, gentle kisses, or warm breath in your ear can trigger an immediate reaction. It's not just a physical sensation. It's the emotions and intentions behind the words that create intimacy and sexual tension. Weakness number 4. Breasts and nipples. Breasts are naturally sensitive, especially the nipples, which are filled with nerve endings. A gentle touch or kiss in this area can quickly increase arousal. It's not just the physical sensation that makes him strong, it's the emotional closeness that comes with showing attention and caring. Thoughtful foreplay here deepens the bond and shows respect for her pleasure. Weakness number 5. The inner surface of the thighs is close to the genitals, and the nerve-rich inner surface of the thighs is incredibly responsive. A light, respectful touch, say during a quiet moment at dinner, can be exciting. It teases what might happen next and creates anticipation. If done correctly, it sends a clear message of desire, respecting boundaries. Weakness number 6. The back, although large and often ignored, can be a canvas for arousal. Gentle stroking or slow massage after a long day can lead to both physical relaxation and emotional intimacy. When your hands move lower or stop at key points, they enhance anticipation and intimacy, turning a simple gesture into a sensual experience. Weakness number 7. Hip thighs symbolize both strength and femininity. A gentle touch here, especially during dancing or intimate hugs, can be incredibly stimulating. This creates a common rhythm and promotes a deeper connection, both emotional and physical. Touching her thighs is a powerful way to express desire and appreciation. Weakness number 8. Feet. The feet are filled with nerve endings, which makes them wonderfully responsive. A thoughtful foot massage with oils and slow movements can be deeply relaxing and quietly empathetic. It shows care, attention, and can even be a form of foreplay that creates intimacy and trust. Weakness number 9. The scalp. The scalp is a hidden treasure when it comes to erogenous zones. Gently running your fingers through her hair or lightly massaging her scalp can send shivers down her spine. It calms, connects, and shows that you're attuned to her emotional state, not just her physical desire. Weakness number 10. The lower part of the abdomen, just above the genitals. This area is incredibly sensitive, and it's easy to overlook it. Slow, deliberate circular movements with your fingertips here can instantly ignite desire. If done carefully, it can create an emotional connection and sexual expectation, making the experience deeper and more satisfying for both.